Pilotfish Sunglasses Strap. Does it actually keep your shades secure? Stick around because I've been using it for a few weeks and I've got some real thoughts. Hey friends, if you've ever dropped your glasses into the water, lost them on a hike, or just hate having to constantly adjust them, you know the struggle is real. That's exactly why I gave the Pilotfish Sunglasses Strap a shot. So, what exactly is it? It's a functional, lightweight strap made from a durable neoprene-like material that connects to your sunglasses and securely holds them around your neck. Simple, right? But honestly, it's the kind of simple that solves a surprisingly big problem. I first picked this up for kayaking because I had lost 2 good pairs of sunglasses over the summer. Painful, I know. The worst part? Both sank instantly. So when I saw that the Pilotfish strap floats on water and fits virtually all sunglasses, I figured, why not try it? After a few paddling sessions, beach days, and even just running errands around the city, I've put this thing to the test. First impression? Super comfortable. The material is soft and doesn't irritate your skin even after hours of wear. No itchy spots around the neck or behind the ears. That was a nice surprise. Functionality-wise, it's excellent. The ends of the strap slide over the arms of your glasses and create a snug fit, staying in place even when I'm moving around a lot. I've bent down, tossed a football, even tested it on roller coasters, and those glasses stayed put. And here's a key win: flotation. I did an intentional drop test. Yes, I sacrificed my cheap backup sunglasses, and they floated. That alone makes this strap absolutely worth keeping in your beach bag. Now that doesn't mean the strap is perfect. There are a couple of things worth noting. First, if you've got sunglasses with very thin or curved temple arms, the fit may be a little loose. It still works, but not as snug. I had one pair where the fit wasn't as secure, so I just gave the strap a little twist to make it tighter. Not a deal breaker for me, but good to know. Also, for those who are fashion conscious, let's be honest, the look is more sporty than stylish. It's practical, but it may not be the strap you wear to a nice brunch. I personally like the bold colors. I have the orange version, because it makes it easy to find when I toss it in a bag. Another bonus for me was that it's low maintenance. I've thrown it in the wash a couple of times after saltwater use, and it comes out looking fine. No fraying, no fading, no weird smell. Probably one of the most useful features? It turns your sunglasses into a wearable accessory. Instead of shoving your shades in your pocket or on your head when you walk into a building, just drop them to hang around your neck. It sounds small, but it's honestly